Show me your smile. Let's model our masterpiece, a pheasant. We're going to use 8 colors of clay: brown, light brown, orange, blue, white, red, yellow, and black. First, we're going to make a body. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll one big ball. Roll it into a cone with your hand. Hooray! The body is done. Next, make spots. Take a piece of... Hooray! Spots are done. It's time to model a neck. Take a piece of white clay and roll one middle ball. Then make a deepening with your finger. Hooray! The neck is done. Next, make a head. Take a piece of blue clay and roll one middle ball. Then roll into a sausage with your hand. Hooray! The head is done. Now make the basis for the eyes. Take a piece of red clay and roll one little ball. And flatten it with your finger. You've done it! The basis for the eyes is done. It's time to make a beak. Take a piece of yellow clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. Great job! A beak is done. Next, make eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! Eyes are done. Now make pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Well done! Pupils are done. Now make wings. Take a piece of brown clay and roll 2 middle balls. And flatten them with your hand. Great job! Wings are done. Model feathers. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 6 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. Then flatten feathers with your finger. Great job! Feathers are done. Model a tail. Take a piece of brown clay and roll one middle ball. Then roll into a sausage with your hands. Then flatten with your finger. Well done! A tail is done. Now make feathers. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 3 middle balls. Roll them. Super! Come on! Feathers are done. Congratulations! Now your pheasant is fully done.
Cool! Can you make a friend for me? Choose one for yourself.